Now, growing the city's healthcare industry is a focus of the upcoming conference organized by the New Orleans Business Alliance. The MedCity Invest Pop Health Conference is coming up on May 22nd. And here to tell us about the goals for the local economy are Jeanette Weiland, Senior Director for Bio Business Development and Strategy, New Orleans Business Alliance, and Morgan Stewart, Vice President for Marketing and Communications with the New Orleans Business Alliance. Now, guys, talk to me a little bit about the goal of this conference. You have some innovative ideas, and you're going to be talking about, ways to make healthcare more accessible to everyone.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us on. New Orleans Business Alliance is the public-private partnership that is the economic development organization for the city of New Orleans. MedCity News, who we're partnering with for this conference, is the healthcare industry trade publication that the investors, the business leaders, the CEOs, the startups go to for healthcare news. So we've joined together to bring this conference here so that we can bring not only a great spotlight to the New Orleans bio sector and the bio industry here, but try to attract some new companies and some new investments and new jobs. At the same time, bringing new technology and companies that can bring better healthcare options for our citizens here, particularly in underserved neighborhoods.
Okay. And kind of talk to me some more about some of the sessions that you all are breaking out into to talk about, like you were saying, transportation could be an issue for some people.
Right, so when you hear the phrase social determinants of health, basically that's, you could say, a deep dive or root cause analysis into what really impacts individuals' health, and every human being is unique. So you might have very unique circumstances in the sense that you're a single parent and you make minimum wage and you maybe are even taking care of an elderly person in your home. So you have stresses and factors in your life that are hard to pinpoint in terms of your healthcare providers. So we have a panel that's going to discuss social determinants of health, and we have some really interesting perspectives. So we're going to have the director from the City of New Orleans Health Department, Dr. Jennifer Avegno. Dr. Timothy Harlan is another local contributor, and he represents the Gold Ring Center for Culinary Medicine, which focuses on food, which is obviously a social determinant of health that affects everybody, no matter what your circumstances are. And then we've got some national folks too. So we're excited about the different perspectives and ideas that might come out of this discussion.
And like you were saying, there's people coming from all across the country coming here to New Orleans for this conference.
Exactly. It's a great opportunity if you are in the healthcare industry, if you want to start up a healthcare company, you want to work in the industry, or you want to invest in the industry. You have not only a national audience coming to New Orleans, but you have a very strong local audience of the healthcare leaders who are going to be part of this. So it's a great conference to meet those folks, to learn about the new technology that's going to help our population get more healthy, and be a place where the industry is going to grow. This is going to be the #1 growth industry for the next 5 years. Healthcare is going to represent 1 in 4 jobs, and it's a perfect opportunity for the New Orleans Business Alliance to bring to New Orleans so that we can grow these jobs and investments and improve healthcare here. Healthcare industry hires everyone who are entry level, high school degree or GED or postdoctorate. So it really covers the entire population of New Orleans. It hires lots of people, pays them well, and if we can bring that to New Orleans, bring that investment, bring those businesses here, and improve healthcare for our citizens, it's a win-win for everyone.
It sounds like it definitely does. Well, thank you so much, Morgan and Jeanette, for coming on the show. We appreciate that perspective, learning some more about this conference coming up.
And if you want more information, please go to nolaba.org.
Okay, perfect. Well, the MedCity Invest Pop Health Conference is May 22nd, that's Wednesday, from 12:30 until 7:30 p.m. at the Louisiana Cancer Research Center on Tulane Avenue. There is a registration fee, and you can find more information by visiting the website on your screen.